एकदम स्टार्ट से बात करते हैं जहाँ पे आपने बोला दिल चाहता है बनानी थी फॉर द सेक ऑफ बनाना था, राइट? तो ऐसा थॉट वॉज इट बिकॉज ऑफ योर चाइल्डहुड कि इट्स ओके, मेरा कोई ऐसा कोई एम्बिशियस गोल नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, मेरे को तो सिर्फ कुछ करना है, बढ़िया है, ठीक है?
ऐसा नहीं है.
Like how were you as a kid? Like what was there in your childhood that made you कि ठीक है बड़े होकर डायरेक्टर बन जाऊंगा?
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली जब मैं छोटा था मैं डायरेक्टर नहीं बनना चाहता था. मुझे फिल्में बहुत पसंद थी. वो एक एनवायरनमेंट ही ऐसा था. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन? आई वाज इन एन एनवायरनमेंट व्हिच वाज प्रेडोमिनेंटली डिस्कसिंग मूवीज. फिल्मों की डिस्कशन होती थी, गानों की डिस्कशन होती थी. Sometimes film actors would come to the house. As a child, as you can imagine, it's very exciting to see them. So I was very fascinated by that world.
Who excited you the most when you were
without a shadow of a doubt, Mr. Bachchan.
Okay.
Without a shadow.
क्या inspire किया उनका? क्या excite किया?
His movies were supremely exciting. You know, he was like the all-rounder hero, ना? वो एक्शन कर सकते थे, रोमांस कर सकते थे, कॉमेडी कर सकते थे, ड्रामा कर सकते थे. He was that kind of. He was the.
So you were like,
yeah. I was a big Bachchan. I still am a big Bachchan fan. So, and मतलब as a child, मतलब you're seeing this man on screen, and then he comes to meet your father to the house, or you're going with your family to meet to their house, and just to see him, it was. You know, it's for a child, it's a big deal.
Yeah.
You know, मतलब आप फिल्मों से हो ना हो, it doesn't matter. You know, just to see somebody who you idolize is
big. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big thing. So I was very fascinated by that world. और मुझे 100% एक बात मेरे मतलब जहन में था तब से ही कि यार मुझे फिल्मों में कुछ करना है.
Okay.
That was my thing. As I started growing up and I became a teenager, I was a teenager in the 80s. 80s में एक पॉप एक्सप्लोजन हुआ. You know, of music, Michael Jackson, Madonna, ये वो, this, that, and the other. And suddenly everything, at least Bombay में जो था, started becoming very westernized. You know, like it became like very Western.
Yeah.
There was that influence that came.
Of the Western
influence
culture.
of pop music became bigger than the influence of film. हमारी फिल्में जो थी in the 80s, they were not making films for kids anymore. मतलब तब तक एक अजीब टेम्पलेट पे फिल्में बन रही थी. You know, it was like जो एक्शन फिल्में बन रही थी, they were crass. They were not. I don't feel in the 80s, with the exception, I would imagine, of a few films, obviously. It wasn't till Qayamat se Qayamat tak came along in 88 where I felt that this film is made for me. Till then, films were not being made for us as kids. So our influences became pop music. We became, you know, Wham, Duran Duran, Michael Jackson, Lionel Richie. मतलब 80s was mind blowing for pop. Bruce Springsteen, Dire Straits, इतने सारे bands थे 80s में. That became a preoccupation.
A thing, yeah.
And when that became the preoccupation, and the films became like this, one embarrassment came. कि यार ये तो मैं नहीं कर सकता. कि ऐसी है फिल्में.
I want to be the cool kid.
I want to be the cool kid. I can't do this. So I started getting embarrassed about telling anybody that I want to do films. Because it had become uncool in our understanding.
Yeah.
It had become an uncool thing. कि यार मतलब ये कुछ अजीब चीज़ हो रही है आजकल, मुझे नहीं बनना.
हाँ, तो मैं मेरे peers को क्या बोलूँगा कि
I would lie. मैं बोलूँ मुझे पायलट बनना है, मुझे ये बनना है, मुझे वो बनना है. I would make any reason to say anything else. But I would never tell people I wanted to do film. And that denying myself कि actually that is my calling made for 2 साल मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. मतलब मैं कॉलेज में इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, मैं कॉमर्स में चला गया. मतलब मेरा माई हार्ट इज इन मूवीज में, कॉमर्स से कुछ लेना देना है नहीं. बट आई लाइक दोस्त जा रहे हैं, विच लक्ष्य दैट थोड़ा आइडेंटिफाइड विद इन द स्क्रिप्ट कि दोस्त जा रहे थे कॉमर्स में आफ्टर स्कूल, तो चलो मैं भी चला जाता हूँ. विद इन द फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ डूइंग कॉमर्स आई वाज लाइक व्हाट एम आई डूइंग यार, दिस इज नॉट फॉर मी. कॉमर्स इज ग्रेट बट इट्स नॉट फॉर मी, यू नो. So I stopped going. मैंने कॉलेज जाना छोड़ दिया. I would leave the house, tell my mother that मैं जा रहा हूँ, कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ. College was in Churchgate. So I used to go by train from Bandra station. So I used to go towards Bandra station in that 211 bus. I used to take from outside the house. Or the 3 stops before Bandra station was a stop at New Talkies Theatre. Okay. And I used to get off at New Talkies, and that money that I had for buying lunch, you know, like that pocket money that you get so that you can canteen se kuch kharid ke kha lena. I used to buy a ticket and I used to go and watch a movie. And I did that for years. And my parents thought I was going to college.
Every week.
Every day. I would see the same film again if I had to see the same film again.
Kya
I'd then go from there to Gatey Galaxy and watch a film.
Okay.
But I was only watching movies. And then I would come back pretending कि मतलब इतना tough दिन था कॉलेज में, अब मुझे टीवी के सामने बैठकर कुछ फिल्में देखनी पड़ेंगी to unwind as a kid. So I used to put a VHS on and watch something. So for 2 years, मतलब मैंने I must have watched close to, I don't know how many movies, yeah, maybe like
50, 100 movies.
Yeah. No. 50, 100 to easy. I must have watched close to about 500 or 600 films.
मतलब every day you just watch
Every
movies.
single day of my life, I was watching films.
So that was your lecture.
That was my education.
Education, yeah.
तो वो हो रहा था. And then finally it came to a place कि मतलब college से एक letter आया for my parents saying that आपका बेटा कहाँ है? We have not seen him since he first came. So they were called to college or they said please you'll have to, he can't sit for the exams, he's not attended at all. So either he has to repeat his years or then but he can't sit for the exam. Or then you'll have to take him out of this college. So I was like, yaar, I can't repeat these years because I'm not interested only. So my mom was just like, yaar, तुम एक काम करो, either you start studying seriously or then you start working, but you cannot keep doing this. So I said, ठीक है, then I'll start working. So that's when I got a job as an assistant cameraman.
कहीं पे मैं पढ़ रहा था that your mom threatened you to throw you out of the house. क्या था वो? यही टाइम पे?
हाँ वो 2 साल की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
भाई she said या तो तुम जाओ ये करो
या घर से बाहर.
हाँ, और get a job, but this can't go on, you can't live like this.
अगर ऐसे और भी बहुत insightful शॉर्ट्स और क्लिप्स देखनी है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो.